students, again we are back with our mathematics. Okay, and today is almost last online video of our chapter 4. Chapter 4 that we were continuing with linear equations in two variables. So the things that we have learnt till now are or is, first of all, a linear equation in two variable have infinitely many solutions, whereas a linear equation in one variable it has only one and only one solution. Plus we learnt how we can convert statements into mathematical equations. Then we learnt how to find out the solutions. In the previous lecture we all know that we have discussed to find the solution of linear equation, what we generally did was balance the equation. How did we balance the equation? So we balanced the equation in such a way that right side and left side both are equal, and when they both become equals, then the values that we substituted in place of x and in place of y, they were, you can say, the solutions. Today we are going to discuss about the graphical representation of the linear equation. Okay, the graphical you can say representation is totally dependent upon the solutions of linear equation. Okay, now as you all know, a linear equation in two variables, it has infinitely many solutions, but here we have to deal with only 3 or 4 solutions. Okay, so now if we deal with only 3 or 4 solutions, the points that we get, okay, they will be always, you can plot them on the graph and just draw a straight line including all the points, and the line we get will be a graphical representation of the linear equation. Now we just see, or if we just discuss it, for example, we have a point or we have an equation x plus y equals to 5. Remember, first thing, a solution of a linear equation is always written in the form x and y. This we'll discuss later. Suppose we have a linear equation x plus y equals to 5. So one of the solution is taking x equals to 1 and y equals to 4. Okay, now 1 plus 4 is 5. So your solution is 1, 4. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे एक आपको ध्यान रखना है कि सॉल्यूशंस जो है उसको आपको इस हिसाब से लिखना है. ब्रैकेट, द फर्स्ट विल बी ऑलवेज x, second will be always y. The solutions are always to be written as x and y. पहला ही x होना चाहिए. Now you can't write it as 4 and 1. y x. No, that is the wrong method. It is the correct method. So the first point, as we discussed in chapter 3, first point will always be in the x coordinate, and the second one will always be a y coordinate. Okay, now how to just make the graphical representation of the linear equation? We shall see it. X plus y equals to 4. Okay, so the first solution you can say, or if you find the solution, x equals to 1, y equals to 4, 1 plus 4, 5, x equals to 2, y equals to 3, take it as x equals to 6, y equals to minus 1. Okay, these are the basic solutions. 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 6 minus 1, 5. Now just make them. What you can do is draw a simple table having x, y. X is 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, y is 4, 3, minus 1. Done this, now we can go for the drawing of Cartesian plane. So this is our, suppose, Cartesian plane. Here this, as you all know, origin 0, x axis, y axis 0. So positives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Positives here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. First point 1, 4. 1 is on x-axis. Okay, we have done it already, but I am teaching you once more. This is origin, as you all know. Okay, now 1, 4. Students, this we have done. Okay, in the previous chapter. Still we are doing it so that you have a better idea. 1, 4, x-axis 1. So straight, draw straight line from 1. This is x-axis 1. 4, y-axis. तो ये दोनों आप पहले तो ये देखो कि स्ट्रेट लाइन कौन सी साइड ड्रॉ करना है. 1, 4. Both are positives. Okay, this is 1. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. 1 यहाँ पे है, 4 यहाँ पे है. Common quadrant ये है. This part you all know, this part is known as quadrant. तो ये quadrant में 1 से you can draw straight line. 4 से draw straight line. Which is the intersecting point? Do it with pencil. Okay, then what you can do is, ये जो आपने lines बनाई, that you have to draw it very lightly, so that you can easily rub. यहाँ पे मैंने डार्क इसलिए किया है, जस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन. इतना हो गया. उसके बाद ये पॉइंट को छोड़ के बाकी सब रब कर दीजिए आप. So your this point will be 1, 4. This is very important to show because इससे पता चलता है ये पॉइंट कौन सा है. सेकेंड इज 2, 3. सेम मैनर 2. Sorry, could be like 2, 3. Again, make a point and rub the other portion. So this will be 2, 3. And the last point, 6 minus 1. There is a change. 6 but minus 1 on y-axis. 6 x-axis minus 1 y-axis means this quadrant. 6 minus 1. Please use scale. Everyone, you are requested to use the scale here. 6 minus 1 would be somewhere about here. So just darken this point and rub other things. So the point that you got here is 6 minus 1. Now what we need to do is just draw a straight line. Okay. Now what you can do further is इसके अराउंड एक लाइन कर ऐसा सर्कल कर, ये सर्कल इसीलिए किए सो दैट जब भी आप ग्राफ पेपर में ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो, ओके, सो समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस इज ड्यू टू द मिस्टेक फ्रॉम द ग्राफ पेपर साइड, ओके, लाइक कभी कभी ब्लॉट रह जाते हैं, डार्क पॉइंट्स रह जाते हैं ग्राफ पेपर में, तो वो इशू ना हो इसीलिए आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपका जो पॉइंट है उसका अराउंड एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दो. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज द एग्जामिनर जो आपका जो आपका पेपर चेक कर रहा है उसके माइंड में क्लियर आइडिया आएगा कि दिस इज द ओनली पॉइंट. सो दिस इज द परफेक्ट वे, दिस इज द परफेक्ट वे टू show the graphical representation of an equation of two variables. Now this line, okay, it will be always a straight line. I repeat it again. If there is a linear equation in two variables and if you are doing a graphical representation, it will be always a straight line. तो ये लाइन को आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? This line is an equation. Which equation? X plus y equals to 5. Students पूरी चीज एक बार और रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. Suppose you have a linear equation in two variable. Okay, now you found the solutions. X plus y equals to 5. So one possibility is x1 y4 5. Second possibility is x2 y3 5. Third is x6 y minus 1 5. Okay, so now what happens is draw the Cartesian plane. On the Cartesian plane, this is origin, positives, negatives, positives, negatives. X axis, y axis. X axis 1, so draw a horizontal line. Y axis 4, draw vertical line. Y axis draw horizontal line. Okay. Then the point where they intersect, just mark that point. Second 2, 3. Again, same. 2 and 3. Again mark the point, and the third one is 6 minus 1, the same. Now what you can do is you can just highlight the points and draw a straight line. The line given will be the representation or the graphical representation of the equation x plus y equals to 5. Here you can also write this is a graphical representation. Okay, if you write it in a better manner, okay, the whole topic we discussed was the graphical representation of a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so you have to be very careful here so that there is no mix up, क्योंकि like use a scale, use pencil, eraser, these are very required things here. Plus whenever you don't have to show these lines up, ये जो lines हमने की थी तो ये लाइन दिखाना जरूरी नहीं है, you need to rub that, सिर्फ lightly आपको देखना है so that आपकी गलती ना हो, इसीलिए this is done to avoid your mistakes, आपकी गलती ना हो इसीलिए ये किया जाता है. एंड दैट इज द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस, वो एक सबसे अच्छी प्रैक्टिस है ये चीज़ करना. उससे क्या होता है कि यू कैन अवॉइड द एरर, यू कैन अवॉइड एरर बाय डूइंग दिस, यू कैन इजीली अवॉइड द एरर. बहुत ही कम चांसेस होंगे कि आपका सम रॉन्ग जाएगा. प्लस यू नीड टू राइट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, y axis, x axis, origin, the points, see the points that are mentioned 1 4 2 3 6 1. सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि पॉइंट्स हो गए द सम इज ओवर, नो, यू नीड टू मेंशन ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल्स हियर. ओके, वंस द डिटेल्स आर मेंशन्ड then and then only you will get full marks, and you have to just represent it in a very nice and clear manner. So today we have discussed this. In the previous lectures we discussed about many things like how to find the solutions. So this is also one of the way to find the solution of a linear equation, and this is the graphical representation. Plus a graphical representation of a linear equation in two variable is always and always a straight line. Okay students, so the chapter linear equation in two variables we have completed here. Okay, And for the coming unit test, please refer all the video lectures. ओके अगर आपने सारे वीडियो लेक्चर्स रिफर किए होंगे तो आपकी जो अभी नेक्स्ट सैटरडे यू हैव द टेस्ट, ओके यूनिट टेस्ट, तो उसमें कोई इश्यूज नहीं होंगे. आई होप यू गॉट इट वेल, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, यू नो वी ऑलवेज हैव द लाइव सेशंस एंड द पीडीएफ्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेंट. ओके, स्टिल इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, प्लीज discuss with me into the next online session. Everyone take care, stay safe, and have a great day ahead. Bye everyone, take care.